You had 21.5.
Yeah, and that was so. What I did, I added the miles, but then they somewhere there's a hut or shelter in here. That's what it's calling for. Gray Knob Cabin. Google that. Google Gray Knob Cabin.
Gray Knob Cabin.
Gray Knob.
0.1 miles extra, and Washington, Monroe, Eisenhower, Pierce, Jackson, and then you're down.
Holy fuck, boys, 360 view. Woo! Okay, so we are just at the Highland Center. We made some good time. It's just before 4 o'clock, so if you look, there's the Highland Center here, and if you look beyond me, there are the mountains. I'm just gonna walk in over to the Highland Center. We've got I believe it's a cabin, a bunkie and bunkies, so let's take a look, and we'll be having a dinner here tonight. There'll be a buffet here served, so it's supposed to be really good. So let's go check it out.
I've got a really long one, so I'm just going to have to
What we do is break down together. Yeah, I think this is it here.
It is.
That's like 6 of everybody else's bag.
One bag.
That's hilarious.
Not bad? No, how was like the pack?
We got lights
Oh,
in
three.
here.
Right on.
So we're just in the common room, and only Matt and I are familiar with this tent. So we're teaching the guys how to set up the tent, because up on the summit, if you have to set up the tent, it could be super windy. And the last thing we want to do is try to scream through our balaclavas with our mask and try to teach them how to do this. Especially if it's windy, we also don't want to let go, because one mistake and you could lose your tent forever.
Just goes down and clicks in, eh?
Yeah. So you're just
Where's the vestibule start, right here?
yeah. So you've got all this room here for pipes. Obviously, really.
Oh shit, I'm in.